Well, here it is, the little first alert atom detector. Look at how small it is, man. It's a little photoelectric model, or an optical. There's your test silence button. Well, it's mounted on the side, kind of like those old BRK AC powered units. And it will flash at you, because it's got the LED in there. And here's the back. Takes a little CR2 battery. And there's your bracket. And of course there's the horn output. Now I got this at Walmart. They started selling them. Lowe's also has them. So I got it and I pulled the little battery tab out. And I hit the test button, thinking it would just be a straight tone like this. Just a straight tone without any variance in pitch. But when I hit that test button, I was wrong. Listen to this. It's kind of like a temporal whoop. Here we go. That's right. It's like a whoop tone. It's really cool. Let's see the bracket again. And it's just so small. I imagine that motorhomes and RVs will have those sooner or later. Here's the box, or package actually, more like the container. So like I said, Walmart's have them and Lowe's have them, and then you can probably get them online too. So that's the first alert atom detector. Again, it's just so small. Alright.